Hi guys, my name is Star. I am 10 years old and today I will be singing Next Breath by Tank. I hope you guys enjoy this. As I pour this glass of wine, I hope it helps me express these thoughts of mine. No, I don't think I've ever felt this way. I do for you, girl. So I'm turning these lines down, and I'm telling you right now, I don't think I've ever really told you how much I need you. Girl, I need you more than my next breath. Never would I ever leave you, 'cause darling, I need you. Girl, I need you more than my next breath I breathe.